Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to mark emails with a star on Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to mark emails with a star on Gmail, open up Gmail app on your mobile device. Now, find the email you want to mark with the star. Now, tap and hold the email. And as you can see on the right side, there is a star. Just tap on the star icon. So once you've added the star, it will be marked as important. And to view all the stars and to view all the starred email, let's go back. And at the top left corner of the screen, press that and select starred from the menu. So as you can see, it's already here, the one that I starred. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!